Have you ever noticed that selling your house feels a lot like a reality TV show? Whether you're trying to sell your home in Sidney, Montana, or anywhere else in eastern Montana, the process is full of auditions, challenges, drama, and plot twists. As a local real estate broker, I have seen it all. Today, I'm going to break it down for you, step by step. The third reason, the challenge road, also known as showings and maybe open door houses. Every showing is like a mini competition. Buyers walk through like judges, forming opinions on price, condition, and location. If you're selling a home in eastern Montana, these in-person impressions matter more than ever because inventory is limited and buyers want to feel a strong connection. If you're thinking about selling your home, farmland, ranch property, or anything else in eastern Montana, please reach out to me at 406 East Realty. I'd love to help you create your own happy ending.